So now we're on the last couple of chords here. So we come down here on measure 13, and we have C minor for 2 measures. So B, C, but it's not a C sharp again, so we have our flat 2 minor chord, right? C sharp minor would be our normal 2 chord. But we have a flat 2, and then we have G, but remember G sharp's out of our major scale, right? B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp. So we have our 6 minor chord, flat 6. And then our last chord is our F7, which is our 5/7 chord, right in the major scale. So finally we can use that major scale in the root position that we showed you. And now we're going to go through and utilize all the different ways we can utilize that scale pattern. But we're going to look at these first. So we have our, if that's our 1, here's our 2. So here's our flat 2. And our 5 was right here, right? So this is our flat 5. Or no, we got 2 to flat 6 to 5. And you can hear how that wants to lead back to 1. So we got flat 2, flat 6, 5, 1. So those are the last 3 chords. And now we're going to go through, now that we have all these roots down, and start utilizing our scale so we can start walking through these different chord changes.